So in this course, I will talk about the network load balancer, which is also called NLB for short. So NLB is a layer 4 load balancer, which allows to forward the TCP and UDP traffic to your instances. It handles millions of requests per second. Less latency, usually 100 milliseconds, which for LB, the latency is 400 milliseconds. LB has one static IP per AZ and supports assigning elastic IP, which is very helpful for whitelisting specific IP. LB are used for extreme performance TCP or UDP traffic, not included in the AWS free tier. So if you do the example with me, you will cost some money. So for the traffic, it's not HTTP traffic anymore. Instead, it will be TCP traffic. So this is different from ALB and CLB. Okay, so next let's do some experiment on AWS. So we have two EC2 instances running, and next we should create the NLB. Okay, so let's click Load Balancers and click Create Load Balancer. This time we should choose NLB. We can give it a name NLB. Okay, so I will check all the availability zones. Okay, so let's click next. Just ignore the warning and click next. So the routing target group, let's create a target group and give it a name TG1. Okay, so I will just expand the advanced health check setting. So I will just use the default one. Okay, so let's click next, register targets. So we have two running instances. I will add them to the registered targets. Okay, and click next, review. So click create. Oh, already exists, but with different settings. So I will review and solve it. Let's say I wanna name it to target 3. Okay, so let's try again. Alright, this time it's okay. So let's click this link, and you can see now we have an NLB, and the state is provisioning. So when it become activate, we can visit the NLB by visiting this DNS name. Okay, the state is become activate, so I can copy the DNS name and paste it in the new link. You can see that we can see the web page like this, and let's request more times. Yeah, the IP is changing because we have two different EC2 instances behind the NLB. Okay, enough introduction of the NLB. If you do like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel.